Why did Qabil kill Habil? They were the sons of Adam and Eve. In Islamic tradition, the story of Qabil, Cain, killing Habil, Abel, is similar to the biblical account in some aspects. However, the Quran does not provide extensive details about the reasons for the conflict between the two brothers. The Quran does mention that Qabil became jealous and angry when his offering to Allah was not accepted, while Habeel's offering was accepted. The exact reasons for Qabil's jealousy and anger are not explicitly mentioned in the Quran. Islamic scholars and commentators have offered various interpretations and explanations, including issues related to sincerity, acceptance of their offerings, and possibly a dispute over a woman, but these details are not found in the Quran itself. In Islamic tradition, it is mentioned in various hadiths, sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad, that after Qabil, Cain, killed Habil, Abel, he didn't know what to do with his brother's body. According to the hadiths, Allah sent a crow to show Qabil how to bury the body of his brother. The hadiths describe that the crow scratched the ground and dug a hole with its beak to bury another dead crow, demonstrating to Qabil how to bury his brother's body. This story is often cited as a lesson about remorse and guidance from Allah, emphasizing that even after committing a grave sin, one can still repent and seek forgiveness. The story of Qabil and Habil serves as a moral lesson about the consequences of jealousy, anger, and disobedience to Allah's commands. It underscores the importance of righteous behavior and self-control in Islamic teachings.